video calls, but it is not much caring by online except offline, because if there is something ममता क्या बोलते हैं, love
affection.
love motion in her mind, so she also take his sons to his job or any kind of office. So in my opinion, if there is little son is in a home, so she don't want to do any work, she only want to concentrate on him or her.
Yeah, I want to see.
You can give them chance. Anything else do you want to speak about this point?
Yeah.
You can say anything else do you want to add on?
Yeah, you can add on more points in this point.
In my opinion, if any girl work after marriage, so he does not she does not concentrate on his
On her.
family,
On her family.
on her family, and if she works after marriage, so the is her life is also in busy, and who घर का नाम बोल रहे हो?
Who will do household chores? No. Ma'am, you will get chance. Who will do household chores?
Who will do household chores, and if आस पास के है ना
Neighbor.
नेबर को भी नहीं समझ पाएंगे.
Even neighbors can't understand.
Even neighbors can't understand.
And second reason is also, if mother is ill in our home and no one to do domestic chores, and wife also gone on his or her job or office, so who will do the domestic chores? All the curtains and utensils putting here and there, this gives a very dirty look to our home. And not only this reason, second reason is also because after marriage many new couples like to live nuclear, so only 2 or 3 members, he or she and his children, they only live in their family, no any except grandfather and grandmother. So now nuclear family
Is increasing.
is increasing day by day. So but I don't know what about the youth, why they are liking this nuclear family, but there is also important thing in nuclear family. In nuclear family, if wife also started doing any job or working outside, so she can't manage all the things to do homework and office work. She has much tension in her mind, so many of the women can't concentrate good in their office and their domestic chores.
Good. Yes. Okay, are you speaking? Speak.
I want to add a point. If a girl do outside the work and office work, so what is the need to go outside the house and do the work? Your husband is giving you money and
Husband is already earning.
your husband is already earning and he is giving you money and he is giving you more opportunities. You can do it and you can do. So what is the need of you go to outside and you have to do work hard?
Okay.
Firstly, I want to say about the Sunny's point. He was raising a point that if there is a little son of a girl who is working outside outside, then who will take care of this child? Firstly, this is also a craze. Any girl not become just a mother after in 1 year. Everyone is becoming a mother, and they are taking 2 years, 3 years to become a mother. And the another thing is their in-laws mother can easily take care of her or his son, and it's also a kind of independency. If we will properly depend on our husband, then how can it work? Some of the happens that a household lady has lots of time. Because of this time, there is this is the major reason of increasing home violence, domestic violence, because they used to fight with each other, like mother-in-law and mother-in-law fights with their bride. If a girl is earning outside and she is working outside after her marriage, so what is wrong in it? She is educated, even she will support you in any financial, in any bad financial condition. Her or his parents are giving education to her to become independent, not become a bride only. And it's a right to do job and become independent. And I don't think there is anything wrong to work outside of the home. And the another thing is become
I think it is.
nuclear families. Becoming nuclear families. This is also because of the family fighting, silly family fighting.
Okay.
That's it.
So why are you going outside? You can teach inside the home and you can teach institute.
You can learn.
But I-
You can teach in the
But if I am a doctor, then why will I teach inside the home? I will have to go to the hospital and take care of the patients.
no, I
And
want to say you can teach.
he was saying that who will do household chores? We are not born for do household chores only. Even the husband should have to take care of a wife and support him to do whole household chores. If a wife is busy in some office work or some hospitality work, so a husband have to make food, prepare all the dinner and grooming the home also. This is not a shameless thing. This is a good thing. It can show your politeness towards your wife. If you can't take care of your wife, then you can't take care of your mom. That's right. And this is not only
Responsibility.
This is not only the responsibility of wife to take care of husband's mother. Husband also should have to take care of his mother.
But if the wife is educated, so she can also open an institute and she can also do job on sitting in his home or anything else nearby neighborhood. Many of the things she can done even after in home. And and this is not only a point. I am raising also another point. If you are working outside and your husband is also working outside, so there is no any single person in a home and lot of money in your home. So if any theft come and he steal all the money, so what about
If you will catch your wife under the home, then he will be feel like a jail. It's you are cutting his whole freedom. You are trying to make
You are putting some kind of
I
foundation
am not
restriction.
against
it's a foundation on a wife.
I am not against the woman to keep her in a
Cage.
on cage. If the husband is good, so he will take her wife outside or to any honeymoons and
One number of trips.
tour, all the things. But you are saying that we are only not to become
But
to keep in a home.
it's also running in the society that a husband one day husband show हैसान को क्या कहते हैं?
He will show his favor.
His favor that I have done this for you, I have done this for you. So I think behind every successful person there is a big hand of a lady. Even nowadays there is lots of expenses.
You are saying wrong because every successful person not have lady hand. Many successful person are there, those who success without any lady. Because Abdul Kalam does not have any wife.
Modi ji, Yogi ji.
Modi ji and Yogi ji, they are bachelor. they have no any hand of women.
Are you
They
going-
stand on their own confidence.
Are you going to be a bachelor? Are you going to be a Yogi or Modi ji? You will have to become a husband, and you have to see in this way that how will you make a beautiful family with your wife's support. If you will not support your wife, then if you will not support your wife, then there will be a domestic violence in your home, because every lady, every girl knows his proper rights, that what can she do in the present time after taking education.
I am in the favor of women that he want to do all the things for his wife, but I am not in the favor of wife that he want to do job outside, because what she want, he gives all the things on her sitting, because if the husband loves her too much, so she not want to say something that I want to
I want to do job.
I want to do job. So if husband is understanding his feeling, so he can surely give you anything or everything of the
Everything or anything is not sufficient. I think freedom is also must in a girl's life, and just opposite this situation, then that a husband rest in a home and take care of children, grooming the house and wash the clothes, wash the dishes, and wife can easily go out and do job.
go outside and do
You are-
job is
you are
not
just
only
seeing-
work,
you are just
because
seeing
you all
according
have
to your
known now the
profile.
environment is changing day by day.
Because
In
of,
your family,
it's also
our
because
family, all
it's
are
also because
but
of
you
boys.
all know
It's
that
also happening
now
because of
youth
boys,
is
because
too much dirty. Now youth is too much dirty. How he is looking you, and what he is thinking about you. We are good, but we
It's also,
can't say
it's
about the
also
environment
coming in a
and all
wife's
the
mind,
people.
but
What are
this
they
is doing
thinking?
outside.
What are they thinking? We can't say.
Okay.
They are thinking
We
you in
also-
bad way.
We also
We
can't
can't-
say that what a wife thinking about her husband, that what he is doing after going outside. Maybe he is engaged with another lady. Maybe he is engaged in another affair. There is also a fear. So why are you only snatching the freedom of a girl? We can also snatch your freedom to go outside. We can also ban you in a Almira Godrej. Most of the businessmen has think I have lots of money, I can spend anywhere, I can spend any girl. My wife don't know that how much I earning. I'm just giving her anything, everything, whatever she wants. But she is not happy somewhere. Just think, once he knows about your affair, then she will gone leave. She will gone to give you divorce.
But
But we
girls,
will do that.
but girls wanted to hide from the domestic chores. That is why they going to work from the office.
Why she need of money in the family members on her husband
Okay. You will also make a girl only for domestic chores. Then I will support you on your these points. If you will born a little girl child, you will also support her to become independent and go and do work outside, and not to depend any husband or any other family. You also.
You are
if
discussing
you-
about bad husband. Bad husband you are discussing about who only wants to keep their
But
wife
sir-
on only in his stage.
but now
But
that
now-
every family will have knowledge to marry her children, to marry her son, and he see the full background of that family, and after he married. So how can you say that the girls need some money, if her husband
Okay.
earn
That's
money
it.
60,000, why you need
You
But
money?
want
I
to
think
make a-
this kind of accident is only few, because in our home my mother is ill. My father also know her about the problems. For her, she also hired a maid. So
Girls
my
like-
mother is also happy, but she is not doing outside job.
Girls is a full freedom of like wear jewelers and like to go anywhere, like to shop anywhere. This is full of freedom. It is not a freedom of to go to and do business. And it is a right from domestic sources.
mentality of neighbors. This is the mentality of in-laws, that you are eating ours. You are wearing ours. You are wearing my jewelry. You are wearing my son's jewelry. This is all happening in.
But in Indian time,
environment is also increasing day by day or changing day by day, because in early age you can see any single woman cannot live without any frail, open frail.
Well,
Well, without any open well. She only keep in his.
okay, ma'am wants to answer.
but in 90%, but in India, the 90% women do the domestic chores. Their 10% is going. The 10% girl is going.
Okay, bro. I
to do
am
business.
supporting your point that you will born a girl child, and support him to do all the household works and do not educate her. And remember this point that a girl child born only for do household.
I
chores.
clear
Nothing at all.
this topic very well because I am senior. I am senior, all of you. Firstly, every woman want to job after marriage, but some women not want to job after marriage. His priority is family. In my opinion, after a certain age, after a certain age, not age, after caring of her family and children, a woman should go for job because because her children was very young at that time. She go to job at time. But in this when a woman is working, her husband also support her very well. A husband full of know that his wife also do work outside and support very well by the husband. A woman can do only job, but those circumstances when her husband support very well, but her husband not support very well, she cannot do job anytime. I give an example. Madhuri Dixit is peak point time in her career, but after marriage she dropped all his work for his family and children. Children is also important, and family and relatives are important part of our life. So after marriage, a woman give time her family and new family and husband and children, and after all care, she want to job, and then permission by the laws, and her husband also come to permission to go to the job. When sometime husband angry, so wife is cool, and sometime wife is cool, so husband is angry. So both of you manage to life of to running the life. So husband and wife both are working, and children also support her mother very well. My children also support me. My husband also support me. I live in a nuclear family. Sometimes I not wash the utensils very in time and late night, but my husband help me for wash the utensils. And when I when I complete my education, then also support my husband. So it is not every woman want to a correct husband and correct laws after marriage. If she get good partner, then she get everything in her life.
I also want to add a point that boys are thinking that a woman is really very weak. She can't handle both job and family. But you are forgetting who can make a child, boy or a girl, who she can handle everything. Once a time, a father can forget their child, but they are doing how their life are going on. But mother never forget.
She
their
can never
children.
forget.
Never forget their children that what is going on their life and what is good and what is bad for them. Even those who make you, she is also a girl. She is handling both. Who is not doing outside work, outside job? They are handling mental stress of family. But they are doing outside the job. They are handle only both outside job and household chores. If there is no outside work, outside job, then there is mental stress for a lady. Then you have to understand she is not weak. She is strong. She can capable for handle both of them.
I have one point. If a girl want to marry and her parents find a boy for her, so their parents want that a boy is fully educated and
Government employee.
He must be good earning.
he must be good earning. And but if a boy parent find a girl, so he does not want any earning from girl, and she want a good girl, like beautiful and
Understanding.
girl. So you compare both, that both are equal. But how many you know that if in a home a girl would do job and her husband
Is
in
eating.
home and do household chores? No one, because a girl don't want to be her husband as a
Who does household work?
who does household chores and uneducated.
I was just making a point. If you both are doing job, then you can easily hire a maid for your household chores. Okay, but you are just saying that a girl is born just for household chores. What is this? This is a wrong statement.
No.
I was just saying that a husband can easily support her, easily handle some few of household chores. It's not a seamless thing.
But if she is living in joint family, so she can also do
If
outside
she is
job.
li- if she is living-
If she is living in nuclear family, so it does not
It
matter
is
to
not-
do only job outside. She can do some work of domestic chores, not to do all the house of chores. Because there is only husband who can give anything or everything to the woman. Because there is no one in the whole world, because the whole world is selfish.
Okay.
The world will
Okay, they will sell you.
they will sell you.
They will. Okay, he is making statement. Husband is the only one who can fulfill the desire and needs of a wife.
And you all have known. And all the older people also said only educated man can live with an uneducated girl, but educated girl can't live with an uneducated man. This is a
Uneducated.
fact. Yes.
True. We have recently seen an example. There was a girl. She became a collector. Jyoti, I think. Jyoti Moria.
Collector also, SDM also. Many cases are.
Who made him SDM? She was already educated and he
It's
was
the
Husband made her a SDM.
You are not right.
Okay, he is saying a husband is everything who is giving to a girl jewelry, clothes, and everything.
All the opportunity. He say husband is the only one for a wife.
Yeah.
He can do everything for a wife.
Who is doing everything? You mean that giving her gold jewelry, giving her new clothes every day, and just take whatever you want as a maid from her. Okay, this is not the way to give a good life to a wife. There is also some rights to give her.
They are making point. We are also giving them opportunity, but when we give them opportunity, they leave us. When they become
He is also
successful.
giving him time, and his not only purpose wants to do all the domestic chores. If he is loving his, if he is loving her wife, so he will give not only jewelry, he also transfer all the property to her name.
But he was a poor employee. Jyoti's husband was a poor employee. But I am giving you a good example of Mr. Ambani. He has another affair except his wife. There is no good relationship between both of them. Even Ambani
Does not talk
with his wife in a good manner. This is all these kind of success people are.
Are having external marital affairs.
Yeah. Is it good?
But if you find many of the rich people cases, you have also find many rich people have many diseases. If they are rich, they have many issues. But in a poor, so there is no any issues. They live with a happy life.
Okay.
And,
Yes. Other points, please make it.
And every mother thinking that my son is bada ho raha.
My son is growing.
My son is growing. Now the time to marry. And she thinking that now I am taking rest and the son wife to serve the whole family. Then he will take rest and when his wife going to the office, so who will do the domestic chores? Are you feel good? So the mother is doing the domestic chores. You have any respect? You forget the respect from the mind.
Sunny
For
was
the-
saying,
And many accident is also increasing that if wife is working outside and she is earning handsome money, so she is filling the home office.
Okay. They are making allegation on girls.
Actually, he has a lots of experience of ghar bharri at all.
Okay. They have made two statements. Both have made two statements. First Sumit has made, and the second. What do you want to say? Okay. Third is statement again coming. Why do you not all girls speak, ma'am? Again, Kurd.
Sir, I want to give an example. In my neighbor, in my front of home, there is a lady who is earning, and there is a man who is not earning, and he is just sit on home and he is just take care of his children, and he is doing nothing. And just whenever he goes to his wife, so his wife said, "I have no money for giving you," but sir, his wife is not giving him money. To giving him money in 1 rupee, I think 1 rupees, and but his wife is sending him money to
Her home.
her home. But his wife is not giving him to anything, whatever he wants.
Okay.
Maybe
Wife is not supporting us.
He is alcoholic.
Huh.
He always used
No,
to drink
he's not alcoholic. He's not alcoholic.
But he's
I never see him alcoholic.
But he is unemployed. But he is
He is employed.
There is bad character of an unemployed man in this society. There is no right to live without employment for a man. And the another point is Sunny is raising.
No,
A rich man can easily make marriage with a poor girl, but rich girl can't make marriage with a poor boy. But I want to remember you one thing. When a rich boy's parents go for a bride, they ask them for a big dowry. They are not make her their own bride free of cost. They are taking lots of dowry. After that, they are asking more and more. That's why nowadays parents are trying to educate their girl child and make them a successful person. ताकि उन्हें so they have not to give dowry to their
in-laws.
to their in-laws. And so many in-laws do not ask for dowry if their bride is a government employee or an educated person and self-dependent person. And all the boys nowadays, all the boys want to become a successful person and want to take a good successful wife also. And they never stop them to work outside. Even they support them after even marriage. They give them chance to study. But I don't know, what do you think about it?
So before I give an example, so the man, he has he was a bank officer and he was the manager of ICICI Bank, and he lived in a joint family, and he loved marriage.
He got love marriage.
He got love marriage, and after she said, I will not take care of your family, and you have to leave the family, and we will live in a nuclear family. And after that, he had to leave.
He had to leave.
He had to leave his family, and after he was living in a rent, and he was coming in my front of house. So, and after that, her wife said to him, I will not take care of your child. You have to take care of your child. And now he had to leave his job, and he was taking care of his child. And I think whenever he used to leave his wife, so he was greedy. He always
He always begged.
He always begs to money, but she does not give him any money.
When the situation come to the boys, they asked for a 50% share in every happiness. But when the sorrow comes to the girls, they just leave her alone. And I think if they are real husband and wife, there is 50% right to the girls have. That 50% household chores have to
be done by husband.
50% clothes washing have to done by husband. 50% children taking has to done by husband. Even nowadays, in-law parents also happily accepted a job bride, and they happily allow her to talk with everyone as a real girl child without any bell. And they also give her opportunity to educate further. But husband also think that if she will go out, she will make another affair. If she will go out, somebody will rape her. If she will go out, somebody will
Snatch her. Molest her.
If she will go out, she will forget to love me. If she will go out, she will fulfill to somebody with my own money. But they forget she is also earning with her own self.
Because the boys knows what the behavior of the world. That's why they are behaving you about the world.
Who is making this behavior in this world? They also are boys. This is also because of boys. Then you don't have right to control the ladies. You have to right to aware the boys.
But we can't aware all other boys. We only aware our family boys. Because if we try to aware all the boys of the world, so daily we are fighting, and we will also die one day. Because
we will have fight every day.
We want to be aware from them. Only by this we can.
Just let awareness, just let fight and die. Just you have to must keep some patience and trust on your wife that whatever she is doing well for you. And just
doing job, what the wife want? Wife want only money?
No, wife wants freedom. She
Understanding.
I'm coming your point.
Sensible.
What type of freedom she wants?
She is educated.
sensible
She want to be
understanding.
free, from household chores.
Yeah.
Only this freedom she want.
Also, men are usually free from household chores.
This type of dream you only think after when your husband has handsome money. Only this type of dream you can see. If any poor man he is earning 14,000 per month and her wife is thinking too much big dreams to go there and Paris and he like to live a desire and I want to sit in Mercedes. This type of dreams out.
Are useless.
When a girl got education, she just want to analyze his education, make his education, want to change his education in a
Education is good because education develop our mind.
But,
And it also
why is-
increase our thinking power. And not only in the life, in the property and all the things. Wife is getting 50%. And man, this type of accident is also increasing day by day. You all have seen Hardik Pandya is a good cricketer and he had married with a girl and that girl now trying to divorce. But now Hardik Pandya is very clever. He already transferred his property to his mother because many of the girls trying to divorce after the marriage because she knows she is getting 50% of his property.
In recent times, divorce cases also increasing day by day in India.
this kind of
रुको रुको अरे बेटा निधि वेट स्पीक मैम
In recent time, in recent time, divorce cases also increasing day by day. Because in earlier time, ladies not educated more, but in recent time, all ladies and all girls are more educated. They have no survival because if she wanted to priority with his husband. So many divorce cases also increasing in India.
But if in any case his husband allowed to start earning outside. So if she is starting earning 20,000 per month, so she has another level of attitude. She is starting doing show off only because of me you are getting these facilities.
okay. But sometimes what happens when the husband dies, they just neglected to the in-laws neglected to give her even a single part of their property. What will she do then? If she is self-independent and an employee of any company, she can earn and make their child rise easily. In this way, this is must for every girl to become a self-independent.
In my opinion, she don't want any freedom. She only want the money because. But now, a girl is 1 or 2 crore owner because from his actual home she is also have partnership and from his in-laws home she is also 50% of partner. So she is much rich. So what she want?
she's more richer than a boy.
From both sides he is getting money and after that 10 or 15 years his son also starting earning and giving him.
15 साल में तो
English.
बाल मजदूरी का काम बच्चों से।
Will you make him do child labor? Okay, Lalam, speak. I child labor. Speak.
I want to say one thing.
Wait.
Sensible man